How's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your Klaviyo email list to improve deliverability and reduce your already super expensive Klaviyo bill. Let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is create an unengaged segment. So all you have to do is go to audience and click on list and segments and click on create segment. Now, what we're going to do here is define the people who we want to remove from our list. So my definition could be something like if someone can receive email marketing, because if they cannot receive email marketing, they're already suppressed or they've already unsubscribed from email marketing, and select condition, what someone has done, active site, active on site, 0 times overall time, add condition, and what someone has done, select viewed product, 0 times overall time, add condition. So basically what I'm doing is adding people who have never shown interest in my website or on my product. So what I'm going to do is add another condition, what someone has done, ordered opened email, 0 times overall time, add and select what someone has done, started checkout started, 0 times overall time, and select condition, what someone has done, placed order, 0 times overall time. So now that I've defined my segment, the other thing I need to do is make sure that I've actually emailed this person in the past, because it wouldn't make sense if I've never emailed him. So obviously this person would have never opened their emails. So we're going to add our last condition, what someone has done. Click on received email at least, or is at least 5 emails in the last, let's say, 72 weeks. Now, this is my criteria. This could be different for you. So after you've created whatever you're happy with, just name this segment something like potential suppress and click on create segment. So I have 0 profiles in this Klaviyo account, so it wouldn't show me anything. But once you've done creating this segment, all you have to do is go back, find the segment that you've created, and click on these 3 dots that you see here, and click on suppress current members. Now, there are 2 actions that you can take from here. One is you can directly suppress these subscribers by clicking on bulk suppress. The second action that you can take here is try and reactivate these dead subscribers by putting them in a sunset flow. Now, a sunset flow is basically where you will put them through an automation where you will email them asking them if they're still interested in the product or in your brand. So if you want to directly suppress them, you can go ahead and click bulk suppress, or if you want to try and reactivate these users, click on create sunset flow. So this is the sunset flow that Klaviyo has created for us. So whenever someone is added to our list or segment, Klaviyo will send them 2 emails. The first one is time to say goodbye, where they have some copy and asking them if they're still interested in our products or not. And the second email, Klaviyo gives them a certain discount. You can choose to edit that out if you don't want it, or if you want to give them a certain incentive to come back, you can try your luck there. Now, basically, what this email does is if someone receives these emails and opens the email or even clicks on the email, they're going to be removed from this potential suppress segment because they showed interest in your brand. But if they don't open this email, Klaviyo will create a profile property here, but it gives them time, right? So after the first email, it gives them 7 days. After the last email, it gives them 5 more days to decide if they want to stick around or not. But if they decide they don't want to stick around, they're not interested, Klaviyo will create a profile property called unengaged. Now, this unengaged has 2 values, true or false, because it's a boolean value. So let's say if they don't open our emails, they're going to be marked as true. Let's say if at any point someone opens our emails, they're going to be removed from the segment and they won't be put through this sunset and engagement flow. So after you're done editing your content, all you have to do is turn this email on, click on save. Now, once this is done, we're going to go back to segments and create new segment. I'm going to call this suppress these profiles. select a condition. Under this, I'm going to click on properties about someone, and here you will look for unengaged. Now I have no profiles, so no one has been marked as unengaged, so it won't show up for me. So this is what it'll essentially look like. So let's say this is unengaged. Under type, you're going to select boolean, and here you're going to select is true. So if unengaged is true, this person will be added to this segment. So click on create segment. So once someone is added to the segment, which is suppress these profiles, all I have to do is click on suppress current members and click on bulk suppress. Because these people have been put through the sunset flow and they still decided that they don't want to stick around. So now we can go ahead and happily suppress these people. Now, if you immediately look at these members, it would probably show zero for you too, because none of your profiles have been put through the potential suppress segment. So what you can go ahead and do is add past profiles. So go to the flow and under manage flow, click on add past profiles at the beginning, and all your past profiles which are in potential suppress will be added to this flow. So after, let's say 7 plus 1, 8, and after 13 days, you will potentially have people in this segment which we created. Listen segments. So after 13 days, you will have people in this segment because these are people who haven't opened even after trying to reactivate them. So then all you have to do is go ahead and click on suppress current members. So that's how you clean your email list. It's really simple. Create these two segments and you'll have an automation that will clean your list. And all you have to do is every 30 days or every 60 days, go ahead and just suppress these people. And this way you'll increase your deliverability and you will reduce your Klaviyo bill. Thank you so much for watching. By the way, if you need any help with Klaviyo email marketing, you can work directly with me. Just go ahead and click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.